We're gonna stay in this side position, and we're gonna get into the other muscles of the head, this temple area, and just all around, kind of around the ear. This can feel really nice if you've had a long night, you have headaches. You can be able to lightly massage into that area and potentially get some relief, okay? And I'm just doing long passes here. Not putting a lot of pressure onto it, working around that temple, working around that eyebrow. It's like giving yourself a nice little like scalp massage. Changing the relationship where the peaks are at too. That can feel really nice. A couple of my friends, believe it or not, like to do this after a long night of partying. They feel like this is definitely one of the cures for them to get to feeling better. So give that a try.